Hello there, how are you doing? Engineering entrance crash course. Most of us have heard this word crash course, and it is actually very appealing and pleasing, thinking that okay, this looks like a short-term course, and a shortcut to completing the entrance preparation. Actually, this is completely a misunderstanding. So let's take a look at this question: who can actually take crash course? Also, we will take a look at this question from a parent asking a typical question: which course should I take for engineering and with a job in mind? So when I looked at this student's academic background, he's having 100 percentage mark in math, both in 10th and 11th. Also, his score in physics and chemistry is also in the range of 95 to 100. 95 percentage, 97 percentage, like that. So this is an outstanding score. Let's keep this aside. Let's continue the discussion. The first question to us is it the course more important than the college you study? The answer is where you study, your college matters matters a lot. Okay, because if you are studying in the country's best institute, placement is guaranteed. There will be a strong placement cell there with almost every MNC is competing to do placement. So it's very important that you have that you have a very good job after the college. Otherwise, what you study doesn't matter much. Okay. So with that said, your first focus is prepare very efficiently and committed for your entrance test. So you should write both the state engineering entrance test as well as all India entrance test. Now when it comes to preparation, okay, now comes the question: who can take the crash course? This student which I discussed, where the score of 10th, 11th, 12th, etc. is between 95 to 100 percentage, is eligible to attend the crash course because uh, he has a great understanding, okay, outstanding understanding on these subjects. So he only needs a crash course to get the best rank in the entrance test. For all others, minimum 1 year preparation is important, critical, and 8 hours of study per day towards the entrance test. So secondly, make sure you are getting a good rank in state engineering test and join the top engineering colleges in the state. On the other hand, if you are willing to travel outside of your state, make sure you are writing all these entrance tests: JE Main, JE Advanced, CUET for Central Institutes, Central Engineering Institutes, and if you have if you have enough budget, and if you like deemed universities like BITS and Vellore Institute of Technology, and make sure you write those private engineering institutes entrance tests also. So put together there are 33 of them, and you just need only one preparation for all these 33 tests. Okay, that is engineering entrance test course, and close to 1.5 lakh seats are available. So make sure you are joining IIT, NIT, Central Universities, and best private deemed universities. Okay, so with that we round up the discussion of the the best importance of joining the best engineering college, as well as who can take the crash course. Now, when it comes to the courses, engineering course. At this time, given the job market demands and how much salary is paid, the computer science ranks first, then civil, mechanical, then electrical or electronics. Okay. So with that, we are done with this discussion here. These are existing videos in my playlist. Okay. I encourage you to watch it because you will definitely get a lot of additional information when you prepare for engineering entrance after 10 plus 2. So with that, we are done here. I hope this was helpful. You take care. All the best.